What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So it's Baba Fridays. So basically every Friday I try to look at Baba, and you can see that since last week when I looked at it was August 23rd, which was right about here. So price was at the mid $80 level, 85.36. You can see that during the next trading sessions, price did sell off, went back to this horizontal level, 79.70. So this level has definitely been in play for a long time. You can see that it has been acting as support and resistance. So it's no coincidence that price came back to that level to test it for support and then got a bounce up. And you can see that basically right when the news came out, Alibaba Group has finished a 3-year regulatory overhaul after an antitrust fine. Key facts today. So it looks like just today that occurred. But is it a coincidence that price did bounce off of support and then continue higher? So, I don't think that's a coincidence at all. So either way, what I'm trying to say is that price is still looking bullish. It was looking a little bit bearish, but overall it was still bullish because price was staying above that level. And you could draw this trend line a little bit more shallower, and that still fits pretty good. You just adjust it. So we have the first trend line set right here. This is the second trend line or attack angle that's more steeper, and price looks like it's still headed towards that measurement target of 93.86. So the bulls, they're not going to try to reach that target forever. This was the leg up right here that we're trying to match. This is the first attempt to reach that leg, and this is the second attempt. So the second attempt, there might be one more chance to reach that target. If it fails, it could lead to a strong sell-off because the market's not going to try like several times to reach the measurement target. It'll try a couple of times, and if it fails, it'll just reverse in the opposite direction and maybe reset. So this was the first attempt right here. This still looks like the second attempt is still in play. So we can still see another attempt even after this one attempt fails. But after that one, I would say that price can, the bulls aren't that strong as they look. So overall, price above the EMA is above that $79, $80 level. It's above this trend line. We have a measurement target in play. So overall, still looking pretty bullish. Can we see another drop, something like this, and then price continues higher? Yes, we can. Sometimes we could see a double test of that level, and then price resumes the uptrend. Either way, I would be bullish as long as price is above that $80 level. So that's all I have for Baba on the daily chart. Still looks pretty good. Looks like price does want to continue to trend up higher. Taking a look at the weekly chart, you can see that it is Friday, so this week most likely will close green. Be nice if it was closing a little bit higher up on the candle. You can see that's kind of closing in the middle of the body or the middle of the candle body. You can see that it'd be nice if it closed up right over here, kind of like let's say more of something like this one right here, this little one, but imagine if it was bigger. So you want the close to be on the top. It's just a stronger conviction of the candle. So we'll see what happens. But overall, still pretty bullish. You can see that we have 4 consecutive green weeks in a row so far. Above the support, EMA is kind of curling up. You can see that it's been a while since that EMA has been crossing over and price is staying above it. So, that happened right over here, but that was a very quick sell-off. In this case, the EMA is curling up, but price is holding it, and now it looks like it could be curling or showing a change in market structure, which is an uptrend. So overall, still pretty good. We have a first angle of attack right here, second angle staying above the EMA, staying above the $80 level. We have a measurement target in play, and this trend line that price looks like it's going to come to test at the high 80s, low 90s. So you can see the trend line off of the 2 swings right here. There's a possible resistance zone right there. So we'll see what happens for Baba, but it's been a long wait for, I know, a lot of people. Maybe this is the time that it finally goes into a longer term uptrend, but as right now it's short term, it is looking pretty good. So I'll have for Baba on the daily weekly charts. If you guys have any comments, please leave it below, and most likely I'll see you guys next week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.